Bijbehara constituency has been a bastion of Mufti family, and PDP's political journey had started from this place more than 25 years ago. In this election, third generation of Muftis, Iltija Mufti, is contesting from this seat. While it is a triangular contest, the main fight is believed to be between Iltija Mufti and National Conference leader Dr. Bashir Ahmed Viri.
Iltija Mufti's political debut from her family turf Bijbehara in Anantnag. The constituency will go to the polls on the 18th of this month in the first assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir after a gap of 10 years.
मैं आपको एक चीज का यकीन दिलाना चाहती हूँ, मैं वोट चोर नहीं हूँ.
Iltija is both confident and cautious about her election prospects.
वो कभी भी वोट चोर नहीं थे. जो भी यहाँ काम हुआ, वो मुफ्ती साहब महबूबा जी ने.
As she navigates from one village to another, nestled in apple orchards and gushing streams, the 37-year-old is trying to connect with people to carry forward the legacy of her grandfather, Mufti Muhammad Saeed.
Mufti Sahab wanted to honor. He wanted to honor the mandate, and that's why. And let me tell you, he went into the grave knowing that he had put at stake what cost him decades to build. And this family propaganda doesn't bother me at all. If people accept me, sar aankhon pe. If they don't, big deal.
Iltija's main rival is Dr. Bashir Ahmed Viri, the National Conference candidate. Dr. Viri is a former legislator. While he talks about local and livelihood issues, his party's larger political narrative about the scrapping of Article 370 is central to the National Conference's poll campaigning.
हमें तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. You see, in 2014, there was a wave of PDP. मुफ्ती साहब जगह-जगह एक नैरेटिव, जगह-जगह जाके नैरेटिव उन्होंने सेट किया था. अगर आपको बीजेपी और आरएसएस को रोकना है तो पीडीपी को वोट देना है. एंड यू नो कि उस वक्त भी हमने 21,000 वोट उस वेव में भी लाए थे. तो आज उसके मुकाबले में तो सिचुएशन बेटर है हमारे हक में. लेट अस सी, मुझे ज़्यादा फ़र्क नज़र नहीं है.
Bijbehara has just 3 contesting candidates, the lowest in any constituency in Kashmir. No independent candidate is contesting from the seat, even as 44% candidates who contest in the first and second phase of elections are independents. The BJP's Sophie Yusuf, the party's old guard in Kashmir, is also contesting from Bijbehara. He says people are quietly supporting him as they are happy with the BJP for bringing peace in the valley. Besides talking about development and jobs, the BJP candidate promises to release all prisoners in jails as he cites withdrawal against stone pelters after the 2016 agitation in Kashmir.
अब हमारे जो रीजनल पार्टी के लीडर्स हैं, इनको लोगों के पास जाने के लिए कुछ नहीं है. और आज मैं आपकी वसात से बिजबेहरा कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी के लोगों को वादा करता हूँ, जितने भी हमारे जेलों में लोग हैं, सोफी यूसुफ का पहला मकसद यही होगा कि उनको जो जिस तरह राजनाथ सिंह जी ने 12,000 नौजवानों को FIR ख़त्म किए, उनको छोड़ दिया, इस तरह मेरा पहला कदम यही होगा कि जो हमारे बंद हैं. आज मुझे बताइए, जमात इस्लामी मेन स्ट्रीम में आ रहे हैं, हम उनको मुबारकबाद देते हैं. सोफी यूसुफ उनको मुबारकबाद देते हैं.
PDP President Mehbooba Mufti has decided not to contest assembly elections till the time Jammu and Kashmir statehood and its special status is restored. She has passed the baton to her daughter Iltija Mufti. And in a changed political scenario after abrogation of Article 370, it's going to be a tough battle. In Bijbehara with cameraman Amir, Nazir Masoodi for NDTV.